So on today's update, guys, as you can see, grow is pretty much going well. It's going well, but I've hit a wall. I've hit a wall because I've just realized though the plants may be doing well and growing nicely, the canopies nicely, as you can see, I've put in the net already. Just to align the branches, make sure they have space and they grow properly instead of leaning to the side. But the dilemma I've come across is suggestions have been made about the lights. The comment section is basically telling me that the lights I have on may not be enough for flower, even in a 2x2 tent, which is what I'm working with here. So that's why I opted to get these lights, because I figured they would work in a small space. But I'm realizing it's been a while now. They should have started flowering, but nothing yet. So I asked, what could I be doing wrong? And I was told my lighting may not be enough for flowering. I needed something really bright. So at the moment, I'm currently working on getting some a grow light. I've been looking into a 165 watt grow light. So that's what I'm thinking I'm going to get. Since the tent is small, it's just a 2x2, it should be enough, especially if it's a full spectrum LED grow light. I think it should do just fine. But so far so good. The plants look good. All I have to do next is just switch up the lights, get a more powerful grow light to light this space up really good. Then flowering should kick in.